Hi, in this video we will see how to declare static methods in interface. So for that, inside this project interface demo, we will create one interface. I give the name as my interface, and inside this interface let us declare a static method. Static void. We will have a method like display value, and it takes an integer value. This is the method we have declared. Inside this method, see the have static methods have concrete body. So inside this method we can print the value passed to this method. System dot out dot println and simply print the value I. Okay, let us simply print this value I. Now we can create one class, a main class, to call this method. Okay, so we will write one, create one main class, main one. And inside the main method we will call this static method. How to call the static method? It is very similar to how we call the class static methods in classes. So the interface name, my interface, and a period, then display value. So this is how we can call this uh, static method. So if you want to call a static method declared inside your interface, use the interface name, then period, then method name. So you don't need to implement this to call this static method. Okay, so now let us run this code and see the output. See, the value 5 is displayed. One important point you have to remember is you cannot override a static method. So the implementing class of this interface cannot override this method. Okay, so this is how we can declare a static method inside a interface and call the static method.